What is going on, and welcome back to another video, guys. If you guys are new here, I'm Shawn. I'm gonna be doing something a little bit different today. We're gonna actually be rebuilding like a front end for my mom's friend's car. She got rear-ended by somebody with a tow hitch on it when she wasn't around, and they just backed in and it crunched the hood and snapped the headlight back and the grill and everything. I'll put up some pictures of what the car looks like here. And so basically, with that being said, I went ahead and I took a look at it, figured out what I needed to buy, ordered everything for it, and I'm gonna be putting it all back together for her. So I went on Rock Auto and spent a good chunk of change on this. The hood actually came in earlier. The hood is out in the garage right now. It's just black primed. We're gonna paint it come springtime. She doesn't want to worry about it right now. I actually just got another package here. We have the hood latch assembly, and then we got 2 hinges for either side of the hood. I also have a headlight coming and a grill coming, and once all of that is here, I'm going to be able to go to my mom's work and swap out my truck for her car, and then bring the car back here and put it all back together, and I'm going to take you guys along with that process. Jake might come along at some point during that, but who knows. So I will see you guys then. What's going on, and welcome back to another video, guys. Today we got a little bit different project here. I'm actually in a car that I picked up from a customer. She got in a front end accident. Somebody backed a tow hitch into her and took off, and she never got a hold of them. So I'm gonna be replacing the front end. I got all the parts at home, and I'm gonna take you guys along in the journey. We got a 2005 Ford Focus here. So I'll catch you guys back at the house. Guys, we're back home. Here's the car. I'm gonna show you guys what damage we're working with here. You can see our grill is broken here. Our hood is pinched, our headlight is slammed up, and our hinge is bent back there. So I have basically all new right here. And I think the way I'm gonna go about this, I'm gonna try to knock this headlight out of place here, and then we'll go ahead and try to pop the hood open. So I went ahead and I pulled this grill out here. It has these couple pins on the back side right here. And you see this one's here, but this one was already broke off. So it pulled right out, and with that, I was able to manually pop this hood open and get it up. So you can see the bend here. This is our big problem, is this headlight that's stuck. So it's pretty jammed up in there. I'm gonna go ahead and undo the bolts to it, and then I'll go inside and grab the new one. So where I'm at right now is I popped this old headlight out. You see we got a little bit of fender damage here. This is the new one. I'm gonna go ahead, and you can see the fender's obviously moved a little bit here. So I'm gonna undo these bolts and I'm gonna push it back into place because I need this to line up here. And obviously it's not lining up right now. This one will go up here, and then there's a little holding spot down there. So that's what I'm gonna go ahead and tackle now. So I'm gonna go ahead and move this fender a little bit. I'm gonna try to straighten that bend out right there. And then we'll keep moving on. What is going on, and good morning, guys, and welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be taking care of some maintenance work and stuff that needs to be done on both my car and Jake's car. First off, I got this exhaust we got to take care of. I broke the hangers, I guess. Jake didn't really weld them too well. Exhaust kind of bounced around. The exhaust actually disconnected from itself, so I'm going to have to figure that out. With that being said, we got that too. I got this ABS module here that I got to go put on right now. It's very simple. 1 bolt, just got to pop it out and then replace it. It's the rear wheel speed sensor module. And then Jake is going to be coming over here with a bearing and a rear axle seal that I'm going to be doing while he welds my exhaust and stuff. So I'll make sure I keep you guys updated on that, and I'll come back once we've started on some stuff here. So we're under the truck now. I went ahead and I pulled this sensor. It's a pretty easy sensor to pull. It's just a 110 mil bolt, and then you can get to it. But I found a problem. Our wire's actually split here. I'm not sure if you guys are gonna be able to see this or not. Where am I at? There we go. Our wire is split. If I can get it to focus. It's broke right there. So I'm gonna take a razor blade and I'm gonna cut the wire away. And then I'm gonna solder it together, and I'm gonna put some heat shrink on it. It looks like somebody might have already tried to repair this or something, but I don't know. They did a pretty shitty job. So I'm gonna undo everything they did. I'm gonna do it on my own, and then I'll put the new sensor in, and we should be good to go. And then we're just waiting on Jake again. I went ahead and I changed out that sensor and fixed that wire. We put some heat shrink and we soldered it together. Jake's gonna go ahead and he's gonna fix this exhaust now. So we got the whole setup over here. Everything's cleaned off. We got an angle grinder. Here's gonna be our new hangers because we lost our hangers from the last time. No idea where they went. So he's gonna mark it and then I'm gonna come out and cut it or whatever. So yeah, we got that to do. And Jake is holding us up in there doing who knows what. Moved on to the next part. Jake is going ahead and connecting the exhaust pipes. And then we have pre-cut our new hangers here. So Jake's gonna go ahead and weld those once he's done with that. So here goes Jake throwing down some tacks. We're back here a couple days later. We're gonna finish up this project now. I'm actually at the lady's house right now with a replacement hood since we were sent the wrong one last time. So we're just waiting for her to open up the garage for me right now, and then we're gonna go ahead and we're just gonna swap out these hoods really quick. It's just a couple 8mm bolts and we'll be good to go. I'll show you guys the finished product, and I'll give some backstory to actually like everything because we kind of skipped around a little bit. So I'll make sense of it all in a little bit. That is gonna do it for this video, guys. I just finished up this hood here. We got a neighbor driving by. You can see we got a little body gap here, but I mean that is expected with the damage that was done to this fender here. This headlight is basically mounted up perfectly. That's in place. New grill, new headlight. Yeah, new hood. It lines up pretty well. The latch still works. It comes in and out. I just did it about 20 different times. We got the wipers in here. The tube is all ran, so I'm very happy with how it came out, and I'm sure she will be too. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna go and tell her, and yeah, we'll see what she has to say. Merry Christmas, guys. It's actually Christmas Day now. It's a little bit early. I went ahead and already got some stuff for Christmas. I'm gonna be getting some stuff later on for like on Saturday and such, so I'll make sure to keep you guys updated because that'll be a video after this of putting everything on. So far I've got tie rod ends. Well, I got full tie rod inner and outer, boots with those, and then we got bumper sensors for the back of the truck because those things have been destroyed since we got the truck. So there'll be a video coming out on those. Right now I actually have a sprinkler sitting under the truck because it's 55 degrees out, you know, it's Christmas, and we're cleaning out everything under it, mud, anything that could be under there. I've had it going for about an hour. I've been moving it back and forth, front to back, making sure everything's clean under there. But yeah, with that being said, if you did enjoy doing something like I did today for like the customer, cleaning up, you know, fixing up a front end, I'll be hopefully getting more jobs like that soon. We'll be able to do more videos like that. But if you guys did enjoy, make sure you drop a like down below, subscribe for more videos, and I will see you guys all in the next episode. Peace.